Hey guys, working on this SRM 225 Echo trimmer here today. It has a bit of a bogging issue. When you squeeze the throttle, you're not getting full RPMs out of it. So these carburetors here, they do have an adjustment screw, but they're hidden from the factory because they don't want you adjusting them. There's a high and a low speed. I'm going to show you how to do it. I was going to take the carburetor off, but I want to show you that you can actually do it without taking the carb off. I'll just get this out of the way. So the high-speed adjustment screw is located right there, and it's behind a little plastic plug, if you can see that. So we're going to remove that plastic plug, and behind it is a flat slot for a flathead screwdriver. So that's your high speed, and then your low speed, same deal, is located down this tube right here. There's a plastic plug in there as well, which if you remove the plastic plug reveals a low speed adjustment screw. So we'll get this one out first. The plastic plug is sort of pressed in there, so I'm going to use this, what is it? T9 Torx head screwdriver. I'm going to heat it up with a torch, and then I'm going to push it into the plastic while it's still hot, and then I'm going to hold it there for, I don't know, half a minute till it cools, and then once it cools, it'll be sort of hardened to that plastic plug, and I'm going to twist it and pull the plug out. So let's get that going. Okay, so I'm just going to push it into there, and then I'm going to let it cool. You can feel as it cools, it starts to firm up. We're going to let it keep cooling off. Oh, and there it is there. This one kind of slipped off. That's the little plastic plug. You can actually use a flathead screwdriver too. And they do make a tool for this. It's basically just a screwdriver with a threaded end on it. You can just thread in without the heat or with the heat. And then if you look, in there now, it reveals a flathead adjustment screw. So that'll fix my problem, but I want to remove the low speed screw, so we'll do that now. So let that harden up. This one is easier with the screw tool because sometimes this doesn't get a hold, but I'm going to try it with this first. Or if you have a screw, like the perfect size screw that fits down that hole with a sort of a coarse thread, you can try just screwing that down without heat or with heat, whatever works to get the plug out. Okay, so just try twisting it first. There it is there. So that worked out pretty well. And then I'll show you guys down in there, there is a screw. So that'll be your low speed adjustment screw. See the little flathead slot down in there. It's like a hard plastic plug. So the longer you leave it in there and cool off, the better adhesion it'll have to the screwdriver. Okay, so I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit here. See, it still bogs. Gonna let that warm up. I'm gonna put the filter cap on. Thanks for watching, guys.